What a lovely day for it. Hey, drifting! Fucking yo. Hello. People are touching my car, I'm not sure what they're doing, but I can't drive for it anyway, so what's the worst of that?
Why? Why do we even turn up? We can't even fucking drive around in circles. What you're witnessing here is a battle of excuses. Excuse subject number 1. Excuse subject number 2.
I had a boot fight thing come off.
Yeah.
I need a mechanic. It's alright when you got all this gear in it. I couldn't see with my mask on.
Ollie still gone.
We've got a window of some potentially dry weather. Let's make use of it.
Lovely and sunny, they said.
Proximity is good, but not at all costs. By that, I mean I don't want to see someone 50p in the course all the time. Proximity lost it. Proximity lost it.
Well, if anybody's got my Facebook, you'll have seen I did a burn video on Ollie Evans yesterday, and guess what happened? We had him in the fucking top 8, and it was a sick battle, probably the best we've ever had. Unfortunately he won, but I don't really care, because style points.
Oh no, we're gonna have to back out of it.
Oh, fuck.
Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. 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 Let's get litty.
Hey John, on a scale of 1 to get fucked, how much do you want a GoPro in your face right now? There are definitely worse places to roll out of bed at. Sunny, everybody's getting ready, some cars are being cleaned. We're supposed to be out on track quite soon, but really right now what we're doing is just experimenting with super cheap sausage rolls.
Driven Snetterton in 7 years, done all the track side.
On any other day, I think this would be quite beautiful. Oh, sunlight, drizzle, rainbows. Fucked drift car. Well, we've either broken the gearbox or the clutch, hopefully. Doesn't sound like a bottom end. So we're now just
Happy.
We're happy. So John, how do you relax after a heavy weekend's drifting?
I can't tell you that on camera.
Oh, it's not the answer that I was expecting, or pulling a fucking gearbox out. Good news, we're really happy because it's Sunday night and we've taken the gearbox out, and genuinely we've actually found the problem is this very notchy input shaft bearing. So hopefully get a new bearing tomorrow, smash the gearbox back together, get it back in by Tuesday, and hopefully be good to go again. John looks confident, very confident.
I like gearboxes.
Yeah, John's shit at fidget spinners as well. You actually just punch yourself in the cockpit in that.
Now it's meant, we'll fucking send it back in.